Oppo Find X8s is a tiny yet powerful flagship phone. It may be small in size, but it comes packed with features. Friends, today I'm going to unbox the Oppo Find X8s and show you its super stunning first look and features. This phone is set to launch on April 10th, but I'm giving you an early look at its design and features. Also, a big thanks to my tech partner in China for sharing this video. My name is Maiky, and you're watching Tech Maiky. So let's start with the unboxing. First, we remove the plastic wrapping from the box and open the lid. Inside the box, we get a power adapter, data cable, SIM tool, and a case. Now let's remove the plastic cover from the phone and talk about its design and build. This is the Moonlight White color, but the phone also comes in Cherry Blossom Pink, Island Blue, and Starry Black. This Moonlight White variant gives me Vivo X200 mini vibes. The phone feels quite lightweight and thin, so the in-hand feel is going to be outstanding. There are very few flagship phones in the market that offer a good in-hand feel because most flagship phones are bulky and heavy. Talking about the display, it has a flat screen with thin bezels. However, the back features a 2.5D micro-curve design, while the overall phone has an R-angle design. In hand, the phone looks quite compact and offers a good grip. It can be easily held with one hand, and the feel is going to be great. Looking at the camera module design, round-shaped camera modules have become quite common these days. This phone has a slightly bumpy module with Hasselblad branding in the center. However, compared to other flagship phones, this phone has a smaller and more refined camera module. The module width is just 44 millimeters. The metal ring around the camera also looks eye-catching and gives a premium feel, almost like a luxury watch dial. Compared to the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, the camera bump is also smaller and the touch feel is quite nice. Now, looking at the front of the phone, it also appears visually stunning. The bezels are incredibly thin, just 1.25 millimeters. The screen features a perfect R-angle transition, providing an almost full-screen experience with a high screen-to-body ratio. This means the Oppo Find X8s delivers a strong visual impact. In the flagship category, it is the thinnest and lightest phone. Overall, the first look of the phone is really impressive. The detailed review of the Oppo Find X8s, including performance tests, gaming tests, camera tests, and battery tests, will be available in our full review video. This detailed review will be released on our channel after the phone launches on April 10th. So to be the first to watch the review, subscribe and join our tech team. Friends, next, I'll be unboxing and sharing the first impressions of the Oppo Find X8s Plus. So stay connected with our channel. That's it for now. See you in the next latest tech update. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.